Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Different types of budgets we are discussing, right? So last class we have seen cash budget, that was very much important. Now today we'll see production budget. Production budget, already we have done one problem, introduction over, and first problem we have done, simple problem we have seen. Now today we'll see a little bit complicated with adjustment, production budget, how to prepare. And nothing to worry, 5 minutes if you focus, you can understand this problem. Production budget, you know the pro forma. First we'll take the sales, then we'll add the closing stock, then deduct the opening stock. That's it. We'll get the production, actual production, how much production is required. That will come to know, pro forma we know. Now we'll see the problem today. Another second problem. So read the problem carefully. Once if you read the problem carefully, line by line, bit by bit, 50% you can understand. Depends on the reading and understanding of the problem. Solution later. Okay. Now the problem is here. A company plans to sell the 1,08,000 units of certain products in first quarter. The company wants to sell 1,08,000 units of certain products in the first quarter. In the first quarter, company wants to sell this much of units, and second quarter 1,20,000 units in second quarter, and 1,32,000 third quarter, 1,56,000 fourth quarter, 1,38,000 fifth quarter. Total how many quarters are there? 5 quarters are there. Okay. Now at the beginning of the first quarter of the current year, there are 18,000 units. At the beginning of the first quarter of current year, there are 18,000 units. 18,000 at the first quarter beginning. It means this is opening stock. First quarter opening stock. You have to identify. They are not saying you directly first quarter opening stock is this much, right? So 18,000 is the opening stock of the first quarter. At the end of each quarter, the company plans to have an inventory at the end of each quarter. The company plans to have an inventory equal to 1/6 of the sales for the next quarter. End of each quarter, the company wants to maintain inventory, means that is nothing but closing stock only. Closing stock how much? 1/6 of sales for the next quarter. Suppose say we want to calculate this year closing stock. That would be next quarter, means this is 1/6 of this will be the closing stock. Okay. In the same way, second quarter, if you want to calculate the closing stock, next quarter means 1,32,000 into 1/6. Like every next year's quarter, we are going to take it as closing stock. How much? 1/6 only. So this is the meaning of this paragraph. Opening stock given. Closing stock, how to calculate, they have given very clearly. Next quarters, 1/6 of the amount, 1/6 of the sales will be the closing stock. How many units must be manufactured in each quarter of the current year? Every current year, how many units are required? Now here, total 5 quarters are given. If you want to know the closing stock of 5th quarter, we need to know the 6th quarter. 6th quarter is not there. So that is why we are preparing this production budget for 4 quarters only. 5th quarter we are not going to prepare because we don't know how to calculate the 5th quarter's closing stock, right? So preparing production budget for 4 quarters. Problem is this, understood? Now coming to the pro forma production budget, particulars, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter and fourth quarter. First we will take the sales always as usual. The company plans to sell 1,08,000 units of certain products in the first quarter, means estimated sales, means they are expecting this much of sales. So what will say? Estimated sales. We'll write all the sales. First quarter sales are 1,08,000. Second quarter 1,20,000. Third quarter 1,32,000. Fourth quarter 1,56,000. That's it. Closing stock is, we got it. Now what else we want? First, sales we know it. Now what we need, we'll add closing stock to this. Add closing stock. Wire, so this connection. Closing stock. Closing stock, as they said, inventory next to quarters 1/6 means we need to calculate. We'll do the calculations here. Calculation of closing stock. Working notes you can show. First quarter, next quarter's 1/6. First quarter means this is, no? So next quarter means 1,20,000. 1,20,000 into 1/6. In the same way, second quarter. Second quarter means this one. Second quarter will take next quarters, that is 1,32,000. 1,000 into 1/6. Next third quarter. Third quarter means next quarter, that is 1,56,000. 1,56,000 into 1/6. In the same way, fourth quarter. Fourth quarter means we'll take next quarter, means 1,38,000. 1,38,000 into 1/6. If we calculate, we'll be getting the closing stock. 1,62,000, no? 20,000. Anyway, we'll use a calculator. 1,20,000 into divided by 1/6, 20,000, and 1,32,000 divided by 6, 22,000. In the same way, 1,56,000 divided by 6, 26,000. Next, 1,38,000 divided by 6, 23,000. Right? So we got closing stock. Let's add the closing stock. First quarter 20,000. Second quarter 22,000. Third quarter 26,000. Fourth quarter 23,000. If we add 1,28,000, 1,42,000, 1,58,000, 1,79,000. From this, what we do? We have to deduct the opening stock minus opening stock. Opening stock first quarter amount is given. First quarter is 18,000. That's enough. We need not to know the second quarter opening, third quarter opening, not required. We'll come to know automatically. First quarter opening is here 18,000. Okay, 18,000. You know this simple funda. To know the second quarter opening stock, last year's closing stock is this year's opening stock, na? So we are taking this one as opening stock of next quarter. Are you getting it? In the same way, this second quarter closing stock is third quarter opening stock. In the same way, third quarter closing stock is opening stock of fourth quarter. That's all. Are you getting it? How we are getting the opening stock? That's enough. So if we do the calculation, we'll come to know the production. What they are asking, how many units must be manufactured? Required production, you can say. If you deduct it, you will get 1,10,000 here, and here 20,000 means 1,22,000. Next to 6,000 and 3,000, 1,36,000. Next 3,000, 1,53,000. That's all. This is production of every quarter. How many quarters? Total 4 quarters. Take a screenshot or note down, then I'll give you recap. Simple problem, na? If you understood this problem, any problem you can work out. Only everything is depending on here only. Simple information is given. As I told you in the beginning, reading the problem, understanding the problem is very much important. Let me give you a recap. In this problem, what is the information given? 5 quarters sales are given, estimated sales, okay, and opening stock is given. At the beginning of the first quarter of the current year, there are 18,000 units in this stock, means it is opening stock of the first quarter. And sales at the end of each quarter, the company plans to have inventory equal to 1/6 the sales of the next quarter. So as per this paragraph, we have calculated closing stock like this. Each quarter, okay, next quarter's 1/6. Okay, to get this quarter, next quarter means 1,20,000. This we have taken 1,20,000 into 1/6. For second quarters, next quarter means 1,32,000 into 1/6. Like this, we have calculated the closing stock. Added the closing stock and opening stock. We wanted to deduct it. You know that opening stock first quarter amount is given. How much? 18,000. 18,000 units are given. Okay. Now to know the opening stock of the next quarters is like this. So this is the opening stock. Closing stock of last quarter will be the opening stock. So 20,000 we have taken, and 22,000 will be the opening stock of next quarter. 26,000 is the opening stock of next quarter. Simple. There is nothing to worry. When you see the problem in the examination, you feel what to do. Nothing to worry. Simple problem. Pro forma, remember what is given, what is required. Calculate it like this and write it in the pro forma. That's it. Simple problem. Hope you understood it. And in the coming classes, we'll see some more topics. And my teaching will be forever as much as possible. Check out the playlist. And don't forget to forward these videos. Whatever may be the course you are doing, it will be definitely useful for you, this channel. Few chapters, few subjects, definitely it will be helpful. Check it out, the playlist, and practice well. Good luck.